Hello everybody, welcome back to my Learn Scratch channel, and today we are going to be continuing in part 2 from the piano how to use music video, use music in Scratch. So don't forget to check that part 1 out on YouTube. So my tutorial is there, just type learn-scratch or like channel, and then it's gonna come. There might be some learn Scratch tutorials or something, and then when you scroll down, I think you'll be able to see it because it's quite popular. It has many views and it has 8 subscribers. Can you believe it? Actually, so people have already seen my channel because they like my videos, and so the broadcast message, because they have loved the broadcast message so much. If you don't want to hear all this, then please forward the video. Okay, anyways, let's go ahead and get started. So as you can see, I have this tab with the untitled -8. You don't have to do that, but I will rename it after this project. I promise. Check it out on Scratch if you have an account. So, anyways, we're gonna mess up with those costumes again, messing around. So let's drag out when green flag clicked, and then forever. And then we are going to be switching costumes from a few seconds, like that last one. So I'm gonna do that. So you can keep duplicating 3 times because that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna keep typing. So please mind if I am making some stuff like that. So I don't know how my mouse got big over there, so that's kind of like a glitch. Okay, anyways, it's gonna keep doing like this because it's gonna be playing forever and forever and forever. Yay. Okay, let's see how it works. See, it's like lighting up and that it's playing music. So that is part 2 of today's video. I hope you enjoyed the simple tutorial, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.